So what is the logic behind parameterized constructor? Yes, how it works? Yes, in case of parameterized constructor, can anyone? In case of parameterized constructor, we are using, yes, we are using, yes guys, just reply. In case of parameterized constructor, we are using parameters at the time of object creation. Okay, and both the whatever the parameters which we are using, all are initialized to that particular method or to that particular member function. So just I will explain you that particular concept with the help of that previous example. Okay, so how you are going to represent that parameterized constructor? Yes. How you are going to represent the parameterized constructor? So again, we have to define one more member function with the, yes, which is very similar with again default constructor. Just use the same class name. This is the syntax, and inside that we are using two different variables. Just use x and y. Then how you are going to represent? Yes, how you are going to initialize this x and y to a and b? In simple way, a is equal to x
A equal to x and b
is equal to y. So whatever the value you are going to initialize to that particular object at the time of object creation, so both the values or both the parameters directly initialized with this a and b. So b is equal to y. Now just create the object my class as a m2. Next, okay, I'll just write here as parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor. So how you are going to provide the call? So m2 in bracket, we are going to pass two different parameters
in the bracket.
30 and 40, because we are accepting two different parameters with respect to this parameters constructor. So we are going to pass only two different parameters. So in that case, now suppose we have to display both the parameters. In that case, how you are going to display? So use the second object and use that display method. So he will display both the values. So look at that first one. Yes, why the output is in this manner? Yes, can anyone?
Because when we have created object one after the another.
Okay.
First m1 is created and it
So
is not displayed
okay,
simultaneously.
this particular output is basically depend on our call, right? Depend upon our call or the sequence in which we are going to provide the calls. So inside the main, just look at this. First one, we have created the object of m1 class. Okay, so he is going to call which constructor? He is going to call this particular default constructor. So by default, he will display this particular line. Okay, default constructor. Okay, I will just mark here as a first line with respect to output. Next one, what about other? Yes, after that, this particular constructor is going
We
to,
have called the
yes,
second constructor.
yeah, before that, once this particular line is printed, default constructor, this particular constructor is going to initialize both the variables as 10 and 20. Clear up to this? Yes. After that, we are going to call the second. We have created the second object with the help of two different parameters, means parameters constructor. So in that case, he will just display this particular line parameterized constructor, and after that he is again going to initialize both the variables x and y with the help of 30 and 20, sorry 30 and 40. After that you are going to provide the call for display method. So in that case m1 dot display, so he will display value of a. So with respect to m1 object, what is the value of a is 10, and with respect to m1 object, what is the value of b is 20. So in that case he will display 10 and 20, and with respect to m2 object he will display 30 and 40. Okay, suppose I will move this line from this to this. Now what is the output? Yes, what is the output? The output just like, first of all, default constructor, then second one the value of a and b 10 and 20, then next one we are going to create the parameterized constructor and he will accept 30 and 40. Okay, the value for that particular parameterized constructor. Okay, clear up to parameterized constructor? Yes, everyone clear? Because I'm not sure whatever the programs I have shared with you have executed. Yes, Prasad, Rohini, Rutuja, Rutvik. Okay, up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
What is in by default constructor? What is in by parameterized constructor? Okay, now
Yes, sir.
okay, now we are moving towards third one, which is related with copy constructor. Yes, what is the idea behind copy constructor? Yes, copy constructor. In that case, we are going to, okay, just look at this part. I will just mention you here in this particular example. The copy constructor is nothing but we are directly passing, or this particular, okay, em3, whatever the new object created for that particular class is initialized with the help of previous object. So with respect to this m3, which is our previous object? Yes, before this line, which line is executed? M1 is executed, or M1 is created.
M1.
So M3 is initialized with the help of that M1. So this is nothing but copy constructor. So this particular M3 is initialized and declared with the help of this M1 object. This is nothing but simple copy constructor. Means whatever be the data which you are using inside the M1 object, you are directly copied inside this M3 object. So with respect to this, what are the values of A and B? Yes, with respect to M3 object. Yes,
10 and 20.
10 and 20 because 10 and 20 because when we have created that M1 object, A and B both are nothing but 10 and 20. So we directly copy that particular object from we are directly copy that old object into new object inside the M3. So when we call that particular display method, so directly that M3 object is going to display 10 and 20. So this is nothing but copy constructor. So then how you are going to represent that copy constructor? Okay, before that I will just copy this code and I will paste for you. This is related with parameters constructor. Next one, how you are going to, okay, here I will just write that constructor. What is the syntax? Same, class name, inside that, yes, inside that
Constant keyword.
constant keyword, if required use, otherwise leave that keyword. Yeah, constant. Then class name, what is the class name?
Class
We are
name.
accepting the object,
My class.
okay, my class, and the
Ampersand.
reference of that particular object. Okay, just assume that m or n is nothing but different object. And then how you are going to initialize both the variables? Yes, how you are going to initialize A and B? A is equal to n dot n dot A, because A is nothing but variable which is already created by your M1 object, so that's why n dot A. Second one, B is equal to n dot B. Okay, now just display that particular function. Okay, I will just remove this particular line from this, and I will just write that line, and I will use the one more as a m3 dot display. Okay, now check. Okay, I will just write that this particular representation is nothing but copy constructor. See out copy constructor. Okay, then run. Now look at this. Okay, so this particular code is related with, okay, I will just open the calls. So these are nothing but different calls. Okay, so first one related with the default constructor, and these two lines are from display method. Up to this clear, everyone? Just clear? Okay, so
Yes, sir.
okay, next one with respect to second m2 object.
Sir.
So m2 object is nothing but parameterized constructor, and these two lines from display method with respect to m2 dot display. And now check, my class m3 is equal to m1, so this is nothing but your copy constructor. So when this particular object is created m3, he will display this particular line copy constructor, and whatever be the data which is available inside the m1 object is directly assigned to m3 object. So inside the m1, a and b is nothing but 10 and 20, so both the values directly initialized to a and b, and this one is nothing but with respect to display method. So these are nothing but different copy constructors. Okay, so up to this you will get, yes, are you clear with respect to all these constructors? What is by default constructor, how you are going to provide the call, second one parameterized constructor, and copy constructor. Yes, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Okay,
Sir.
okay.